In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to grayscale a photo here in Canva. Now, the easiest way to do this is by using Canva's filters. So, I have this image just here. What we're going to do is click onto the image. We're going to come up to Edit in the toolbar, and then we're going to come over to Filters just here. Then, what we want to do is click on See All. Now, if we click on there, we can then scroll all the way down until we see Mono just here. And these are all the different filters that we can play around with to make our image grayscale. Now, if we click on there, we have the option with this bar to increase the intensity or decrease it. Now, the further we go down this bar, the more color is going to bring back into the image. So what we want to do is have the bar right to the end. But this is classic. Then there's ink. Ink looks pretty good. Then there's this one, which looks pretty good as well, and 3 others. So you can choose one of these which you like. I quite like this ink, so we'll go with that one. So that's just how simple it is to grayscale a photo here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.